The shocking murder of Charlie Kirk has now moved into its next phase. 22-year-old Tyler James Robinson, who is the prime suspect and alleged killer, has made his first court appearance virtually on the 16th of September 2025 at the 4th Judicial District Courthouse in Provo, Utah. The suspect faces several charges, including an aggravated murder, felony discharge of a firearm, amongst others. In the state of Utah where the crime occurred, the death penalty still exists, and people who commit aggravated murder, which Robinson is charged with, can face the death penalty. The FBI and local police have confirmed that they have enough evidence to proceed with the prosecution in courts. So far, the authorities have been able to gather the following. 1. Surveillance camera footage that captured the suspect's movements. 2. Traces obtained by forensic experts linking the suspects to the crime scene. 3. The high-powered rifle wrapped in a towel suspected to have been used by the suspect. 4. Bullet casings with mysterious inscriptions. And 5. Digital records and messages that reveal motive and also point towards planning. On paper, the evidence is very strong and could adequately convict the suspect. However, the big question is, will the suspect ever be executed if convicted? The truth is, even if the suspect is convicted and sentenced to death, the appeals process in the United States is quite long and complicated. Cases like this usually drag on for many years, and that means that it is highly unlikely that the suspect will be executed anytime soon, even if the jury decides against him. Inmates on death row usually spend decades appealing their cases before any execution date is set. So while the suspect's arrest was very swift, justice will most likely take a very long time. Personally, I believe that there is more to this. While recent reports indicate that the suspect has not been cooperating with the authorities, the FBI should nonetheless continue with its investigations, as there could still be more accomplices in all of this. The next court hearing date has been slated for the 29th of September 2025. Charlie Kirk was more than just a public figure. He was a father, a husband, and a God-fearing believer whose political views sparked passion in many people. So whether you agree with him or not, his life was cut short in a very cruel and violent manner. May his soul continue to rest in perfect peace.